Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have lights. The lighting is so much better in this room. Today we are going to achieve this wonderful look. It's Valentine's Day theme. If you have a boo, if you don't have a boo, don't worry. Grab your makeup tools and let's get started. I'm gonna try to make this a get ready with me, but I don't know if I can talk while doing my makeup, so we shall see. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go grab my mirror real quick though. So 1 second. So actually, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because it takes a little minute. So I'm gonna get right back to y'all. Hold on one moment. All right, so I am back. I just did my brows. They are pretty, you know, natural looking. So we are going to go in. I'm gonna turn down my music a little bit. I'm actually gonna turn it off and just put background music. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the Smashbox primer. So this year I don't have a Valentine, which you know it's not a shop. I just, you know, I'm not going out my organization. Like, I have an organization that I like created on my campus. It's called the Hope Movement. And we're having like a singles day, Valentine's Day party that I like created. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be going to. We're gonna have ice cream and pizza and making cookies and watching movies. So it should be fun. There's gonna be games. So if you're up at MSU, what the hell am I doing? See, I can't do makeup and talk. But yeah, if you're at MSU and you might have a date, definitely come, because we might as well be together. But let me talk about my weight loss journey so far, y'all. So it's week 2, like the end of week 2, and I don't want to say I fell off the bandwagon because I haven't. My goal is to work out 4 times a week, and I've worked out 3 times a week if you count Sunday, because I worked out Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, I believe, or Wednesday. So yeah, I've worked out 3 times a day if you count Sunday as the first day of the week. I don't know how that works out, to be honest. Like, I might sound dumb, but I don't think that's how it is. But I guess if you look at the calendar, it's like that. But anyways, I worked out 3 times this week, and so I guess it's not even Sunday yet, it's just Friday, so I guess I haven't fell off that much. I feel like diet-wise has not been the best. It's so weird that I just forget my whole freaking makeup routine when I talk, so this low-key might not be a talking. Yeah, we're not about to make this a talking, we're just gonna go through it, because this is too much. I literally can't talk and do my makeup. Maybe I'll get there one day. So y'all are gonna hear my voiceover for the rest of the video. Alright, so we're gonna spread that Clinique foundation all over the face. Okay, let me stop before this foundation cakes on my face. This is not the good song. I'm having too much fun right now. Okay, now that that's done, we can get to work. I think this foundation caked on my face already. It took too long. Okay, this is a slow song. We're good now. Alright, so now that the dance break is over, we are going to apply the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. You know, triangles around our eyes, our forehead, and then a little bit above our lip. And now we're just going to blend that all out with the Beauty Blender. And I'm using Prime Water to spray the Beauty Blender. Alright, so now we are going to apply our Sacha Buttercup setting powder under our eyes to set that cream concealer. And now just brush it off so that we do not receive any flashback. See, I don't have no type of flashback. It's all natural. I'm gonna pause this real quick because I have to show y'all my new brushes that I got. Look at these. I got these all from Amazon for $9.99. So if I look a little confused when I'm going down here for this eyeshadow, that's why I have all these new brushes that I have not tried out yet. So yeah, we're gonna go in our Morphe palette. I know you're thinking like, why is she switching from voiceover to real talking? Girl, that's me. I'm all over the place. So if you haven't known that by now, yeah. So unfortunately, when I was traveling from New York, I had to what's the term? Check my bag, and the black exploded and got all on my shadows. I try to wipe them off, but you can still see like specks of them in there, so I'm really hoping that this does not mess up my makeup look today. So yeah, we're gonna go in. I think we're gonna try this brush, and we are gonna go in with this color. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on voiceover. Alright, so my phone died, so I had to take a quick commercial break. I ate some dinner, you know, drank a beer, you know, not like any regular beer. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Not no regular beer. A rosé beer. What? Oh, girl, this is so good. But like low-key, it don't taste that much different. Like, being honest, it really don't. But anyways. Ooh, I forgot to put eye primer on, but if you want this eye makeup to stay, just put eye primer on. That's all there really is to it. I don't really need for this makeup to stay. So. Alright, so we're going to just make sure that the eyeshadow on the crease is fully blended. And now we're going to go in the pale pink to just go over the rose gold color that we put in our crease just to brighten it up a little bit. And now we are going in the very light pink to put on our crease for a base for our pink glitter that we will eventually go into. Now we're going into the Urban Decay palette for the very pink to put in our crease. And now we are using the pink glitter that I got at CVS. Right now I'm just going back in the crease to make sure that everything is blended and seamless. Now we're going to contour our cheeks, the forehead, and then the bottom of our jaw. Alright, so now I'm going with my Hourglass finishing powder just to finish off my face. And then I'm spraying some Prime Water by Smashbox. And now our favorite part, highlight. I'm using my new fan brush to pop in my Laura Mercier highlight. Now we are going to line our lips. I got this lip pencil from the beauty supply store for $1. So yeah, it's just a brown lip liner. And then I'm going to put a nude lipstick that I got from Sephora. Now we're applying our Becca Highlight Gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. I wear it all the time. Y'all, so this is the final look. So yeah, it's definitely wearable out to like Valentine's Day dinner or whatever festivities y'all are gonna do. You have like a hint It's actually not a hint. The whole eye is pink. And then a nude lip. And then you can like wear black like this if you want to. It's a little dirty, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.